AI is the course name. And myself is your trainer name is Omkar Nalagoni. So currently, and please keep your mobile silent, ma. That is, please keep your mobile phones in silent. Concentrate here. I will give best experience, classroom experience to you. Trainer name is Omkar Nalagoni. So currently I'm working with a Cognizant ma. Cognizant. And my client name is Google. Client name is Google. And with total years of experience is 13 plus years of experience in complete digital domain. Complete digital domain, in which digital domain means data analyst, data science, AI, and data engineering, and ML engineering, ML ops engineer, and everything I can able to do. It's completely end to end. My career is completely in the digital domain. And I completed my MTech. I completed my MTech in JNTU Hyderabad. Also, I completed my PG diploma in 1 year course, 1 year full-time residential course from IIT Tirupati. And this JNTU Hyderabad course is completely related to electronics and communications, ECE, and this is completely related to data science and AI. That's 1 year course. So that's all about myself. And whenever you come to the collaborations, I collaborated with Praxis Business School from the Bangalore, and I collaborated with Upgrade in the past, and I also guest faculty for Bharatiya Vidyapit from Pune, Also, I previously worked with IMS Pro School, and SB Jain, my previous collaborations. Upgrade also previous collaboration only. Upgrade, this is the previous collaborations. But currently Praxis Business School and Bharatiya Vidyapit and some startups that is called Brilio, Bangalore, and there's one more startup called Atiyati, Pune. Guest faculty and corporate lecturer. Brilio is for the Bangalore. Also, I am the GCP ML certified and Azure ML certified. Also, Azure Data Engineer certified. Azure DE certified. Done. Some people you already know my name and you came here. Some people do doesn't know, but you will get to know that is simple. So let's get started, ma. So now we have some class rules are there. The class rules are there. The rule number 1 of the class is completely an interactive session. Today buttons are not working at all. Interactive session means data science and Gen AI is a growing, and you already know that, right? It is not like a PPT session. It's always a discussion session. It's always a practical session. So in the class, no PPT explanation. Competitively with laptop, and I will talk, I will type here, you should type there. You will get a doubts and you need to discuss with me. I will ask the question, you should discuss with me. That's called interactive session completely. And rule number two is you need to strictly follow rule number 1. Okay. What is the rule number 1? Interactive, bra. Bolo loudly, bolo interactive. The name is interactive, you are not interactive. Hmm? What is rule number 1? What is rule number 2? Good evening, bolo ek bar. Loudly. Ek bar loudly. Or good evening, bro. That is. Ammaya. Means that much importance I will love to interact my students wherever I go. Because whenever you interact, right, your brain will be enlarged. The thinking power will be activated. And whenever you read and whenever you talk, there's a lot of differences there. And this is the correct platform. Now here, our focus is in this class is, our class duration is 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. is a completely 1.5 hour session. And you will get so many doubts, both online people and offline people. Online people and offline people, you'll get so many doubts, your career doubts, course details, and admin details, certificate details, many things you'll get doubts. So in this class, we'll completely focus. I'll make you to understand first what is data science and AI. That is the first our main goal of this class, to make you to understand what is data science and AI. And next, we will go with the take the all the doubts and certification details and everything, the job details and opportunities. And I need minimum 3 sessions to complete that. I need minimum 3 sessions to complete that. It will not happen in 1.5 hour. We'll go everything slowly, slowly. That is. Is that clear, my online people? All the doubts will be take. Okay. All the doubts will be clarified. You no need to worry. Just focus on the session. Enjoy the session. What's going on, and then you'll get it. Now, here I will show you the 2 pictures. Now you tell me the each and every picture meaning. Okay. The first picture is, if you want to connect with me LinkedIn, and you can connect with me LinkedIn, that is Nalagoni Omkar, and you can able to connect with my LinkedIn profile. And this is the first picture. Tell me about this picture. Bolo, batao. Evaluation. Very good. Next. Evaluation. First evaluation come in your mind. And some people coming mind in monkeys, chimpanzees. You are getting that also, na? Bolo, na? What's come in your mind? Evaluation from where to where? ये क्या? Animal. ये क्या? Human. ये क्या? Human plus robot. ये क्या? Completely. Robot. Correct. So it's a human evaluation. Human evaluation in the past, we know that a animal to a human being, but now current generation, the human evaluation, we upgraded into 2 levels more, and everywhere we are able to see what now? That is called AI. What is the AI? Artificial intelligence. Humans have which intelligence? Natural intelligence. We can able to think naturally. But AI robots will not able to think naturally. And that we are making into, that's why it's called what, ma? Artificial intelligence. That definition is changed now. The definition is completely changed. Now, second picture, Lelo. Very good, ma, online people. Picture number 2. Batao. What is picture number 2, ra? Online people. This is super important picture, ra? Bolo. बोलो कुछ ना कुछ. अच्छा. Correct only. In 10 years back, 2010, in order to you take one shot from the sky, and there is one, what you, who are required, ra? Pilot required, second, who are required? Cameraman required, third one you required. A pilot safely जा रहा है ना? वो पायलट सेफली जाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? एटीसी कंट्रोलर जॉब रिक्वायर्ड है, सिग्नलिंग जॉब, अदरवाइज खत्म जिंदगी हो जाएगा. Okay, ATC controller job required. In order to take a one single shot, now there are so many jobs are there. In that 2010, now simply क्या चाहिए? Drone operator चाहिए. And the drone operator is a tough job. Anyone can operate, but anyone can pilot. Difference is there, na? Technology upgraded. When technology upgraded, which job gone? Pilot job gone, cameraman job gone, ATC controller job gone. But what is the new job created? Drone operator nahi raha. Drone technology created raha. Drone operator job aa raha. Drone operator is not a job raha. I also can do, you also can do. Drone technology. The drone evaluation technology created. And that technology karne ke liye we need required. So now it's the time to understand about the technologies. And this is a very, very beautiful photo picture. In 2020 this and next 2030, 2040. Our lives are sandwich lives only, ra. Every 10 years we need to learn. That is, in order to survive in IT industry, we are not a government employees. Keep that in mind. If you don't learn the update the technology, khatam our jindagi. Any technology, anyone that is valid. Now third one, drone operator is a job. I like it. I love this. Bolo, hey, bolo. This is your favorite picture. Who is the villain in that? ChatGPT is the villain. That is. Now, this all are a programming languages. Correct, my online people? So it is very, very important why this ChatGPT is killing our jobs. Why this ChatGPT is killing our jobs? So we need to see that AI is taking all the jobs. AI is taking all the jobs, but AI is creating the jobs. And that is a perfect example nowadays. Let's see here. Siri on. It's time to understand some technology. It's time to understand some technology. Technology always a matter. Always a matter. And a student should definitely understand what is the difference between tool and technology. Tool means every 2-3 years it will change. Pakka you need to learn it. And the perfect example of tools is your programming languages. In our BTech college days, we learn what first? C. Next what? C++. Next what? Java. Next what? Python. Tomorrow, whatever you write, that become what? Code. That will not ChatGPT. You are just typing where? You are just typing what? You are just typing in the ChatGPT that. You are just typing the ChatGPT. You are opening that and you are typing. Write a program. Write a program. Write a program to print first 10 numbers using Python. You are just typing like this. It will give answer or not? Yes, it will give the answer. That is. Then what is the purpose of the coders? Coding job khatam. That's why na Google fired entire Python team. Google fired entire Python team. You know or don't know this news? Google fires the Python team. Head of it's a big developer. Those who develop the Python also Google fired him from the Google team. Because there's a cost cutting rules are there for them. What are the cost cutting rules? Everyone is learning Python. You also learn Python. I'm paying 1 crore for you. But TCS guy, 3.6 lakhs per annum. For 3.6 lakhs per annum, 30 members will come. One person equal to how many members? 30 members. That the cost cutting will come. So tools, whenever you learn about any tools, it will be very, very danger. Technology, you need to concentrate. Now tell me, what are the new technologies, emerging technologies you know? Tell me. Tell me the technology names. You are sitting in which class? Bolo na, technology. Data science and AI. You are sitting in data science and AI and you are not telling that is a technology. Next, batao. Bolo online people, what are the, you know, the technologies? Full stack. DevOps is not a technology. Machine learning is not a technology, ma. Machine learning is the subject. Ah, now cyber security, very good. Cyber security is a technology. Next, बताओ. Next बताओ. IoT, very good. IoT is a technology. IoT is a technology. Internet of Things. Internet of Things. IoT is a technology. IoT is a technology. Fourth one. Whenever you enter in the any room, na, like based on your temperature, your body temperature, the AC will increase, AC will decrease. That is IoT technology, na. And you have a smartwatch, is there, everything record or not? Sensors. IoT only, na. A new technology that is. And we know how many cyber attacks are coming. Definitely, we need a people of what? Cyber security people we required. That is also one technology. Analysis karna, intelligence create karna, we required what? Data science and AI people will need. And tell me that kind of thing, technologies. Drone, drone technology, robots and cobots. Robots and cobots. Next, one of the beautiful technology. Now people loves the technology. What is that? And very, very important. You like money, huh? Money related one technology there. Bolo, what is that? Money related one technology is there, China. What is the technology? Fintech. Ah, blockchain, share market. Share market is not a technology, ra. అద్భుతాలు రా మీరంతా. Blockchain. Blockchain is a technology. Digital marketing currency. India is implementing a new digital rupee, na? Like in the olden days, we have so many paper currencies there. Now, wherever you go, what is there? Phone pay. In the future, after 10 years, 20 years, we'll never see paper currency also. All are what? Digital rupees only. The exchange format will change. The exchange format will completely change. Blockchain, digital rupee, digital currency. Tell me one more example. This one you like most. What is that? Augmented reality, virtual reality. मालूम है augmented reality, virtual reality मतलब? Which means if I want to talk to with you, now I am calling on the WhatsApp. I am seeing your video. Tomorrow you can come and you can sit besides me, but I can't touch you, and that is called what? Virtual reality. I can feel you. I can wear your shirt. I can wear the shoe. Whatever I am seeing that. That is called augmented reality. That we can feel that, and that's already implemented in the e-commerce website. And you, if you want to talk to your papaji or mamaji, suppose you want to talk to your papaji, you can just call him, papaji, aajao 9 o'clock. Then he will come and he will sit. And you can chit chat with him. And you can have a beer with him also. That is, you should not use the phone. Okay. So that is called augmented reality and virtual reality, AR and VR. These all are new technologies, ra. Tell me any other technology you know. Computer vision is a subject in the AI. Next, cloud is a no, GCP is the cloud. Azure is the cloud. Is the platforms. The platform is not a technology. Cloud computing is a technology. Cloud computing, quantum computing is a technology. Quantum or cloud computing. Cloud computing is the technology. These all are technologies, ma. So now every technology slowly that is coming into Indian educational system, the BTech. When we studied, these are not there. Now wherever you go, the subordinate one subject is there. AI subject is common wherever you go. CSC plus AI, CSC plus machine learning, CSC plus cyber security. We guided now our juniors in the colleges. That technology slowly coming into our life. And it is coming very slow, but it is happy to see that it's coming at least. Now the old technologies are gone. ECE gone, EEE gone. That slowly people are only going to this kind of technologies, future emerging technologies. And your tools are there. That Python, that C is a one programming language. C after C++. C++ after Java is there. And Java after you have learned Python. Then this is changing with time to time. But this will not change time to time. It's one, it is fixed means it will fixed like that only, like your physics and mathematics and chemistry. how you feel the subjects, and this is also same like the subjects kind of thing only. So you are in the class of not learning tools, you are in the class of learning what? Technology, and that will keep you food. Technology will guide you like more than 15-20 years survival in IT industry. That is, whenever you learn any tool, hardly suppose today Python you learn, you got job. Tomorrow Python will gone. Again you come to here, sir, teach me data science, sir. Like that you will see. And so many employees are there in our class now. They joined. Why they are coming to here? Because they want to migrate one technology to another technology. That's outdated. So always focus on the technology and guide your future generation also to study only technology only. But unfortunately, in India, the experts are not available. Other than data science and cyber security, there are very less experts are available here. That's why you will not see much buzz on this. But already this buzz is started in the foreign countries. In the foreign countries, AI started in 2004 itself only. In Canada, Ottawa University, it is a 4-year degree course. But still there is no 4-year degree course is not available in India. समझ गए? That much lag we are. And this is God knows. Like that. And when will come also we don't know. Like that. Experts are very less. So technology is very important, ma. I will tell you one beautiful story about the technology. Suppose you know Elon Musk, right? Elon Musk. Elon Musk is very passionate about the self-driving cars. Self-driving cars. Now, in order to do the create a you are the Elon Musk employee, company employee. Suppose I am giving a task to you, self-driving car task. Now, what is your approach? How can you develop the self-driving car? Tell me the method. First, क्या करना? First, car create करना. हाँ? हाँ, बोलो. Next, क्या करना? What is the steps to create a self-driving car? Huh? Sensors, very good. Very good. Right? Online people will see the answers of online people. Sensor, very good. First coming, for you, I will draw the car picture. At least you will understand. By seeing the car picture, at least you will think about that. Okay, I can do something. So car ban gaya. ऐसी जा, ऐसी जा. Oh, कार है एक्सीडेंट कार. ओके एक्सीडेंट हो गया. हाँ बोलो ना वो. Okay. फर्स्ट क्या देना? We need to put the some cameras, sensors. Everywhere some cameras. Everywhere some cameras are there. Back end cameras, front end cameras, down cameras, everything. This cameras क्या करेगा? Data capture करेगा. So step number one, first one is we need to keep some cameras. We need to keep some cameras, sensors data, sensors. What it will do? It will capture the data. Capture the data. Now the data here, that may be a tree, that may be a road, that may be a human being, that may be a animal, that may be a road dividers, whatever it is, everything it will be captured. Now suppose it is going for 1 minute travel. 1 minute travel, how much data it will generate? Huge data it will be generate in 1 minute itself. So many frames will come. Even a 15 seconds video also, we will get almost 300 frames data, we will get it. Even for 15 seconds video also. And the data we need to save somewhere. Where we will save the data? Where we will save the data? In suitcase, huh? Where will save? Phone, huh? Laptop, huh? Loudly. Hard disk. Hard disk is not enough, na? Cloud mein save karna. Where you want to save? Cloud. That is, memory is not enough. The huge memory will be available where? Cloud only. So cloud only will save. After you save in the cloud, now they need to start a analysis. What is the analysis? Arey bro, there is a human being is coming. Don't hit him. Khatam zindagi ho jayega. There is a curve road is coming, and don't go to that shape, straight shape. Your zindagi khatam ho jayega. Like that, we need to guide or not? That is called what? Analysis. Analysis करना. Last में क्या करना? Every data for them is what? Is a very very safe and secure चाहिए. Secure करने के लिए which one who is required now? Cyber security guy required. Cyber security guy required. Now here this is one technology. This technology का नाम क्या? Sensors capture the data. What is the technology name? What is the technology name? Sensors capture the data. What is the technology का नाम रहा? Loudly. IoT. Bolo, what is the full form of IoT? Internet of Things. One technology person required, huh? Yes, here IoT guy required. Now here, where we will save the data? Cloud, which guy required? Cloud computing guy required, one more technology, cloud computing. And here analysis karna, analysis and intelligence include karna. Intelligence include karna, which guy required? Data science and AI. Cyber security ke liye which guy required? Cyber security guy required. See, one technology included one concept included how many technologies? Four technologies. That is the beauty nowadays. We are not only doing end to end. There's so many people are involving in the one technology, and you need to write a proper tester required. Testing करने के लिए tester required, and pipelines create करने के लिए DevOps guy required, and every person is included in the technology. But ours is the main focus. Why the main focus? Because we are creating a artificial intelligence. They are selling their cars with the name of that only, na? It's able to think themselves. That's why you buy my car. That's why we are very major part of that course. And you are not alone. Everyone is included in the any technology. That's why technology, you should respect these technologies. And that technologies will make you food. And let's think about what is exactly a artificial intelligence and machine learning. We know many terms. We know data science. We know machine learning. Some people will know deep learning. Some people think about AI. What is exactly it will do? Let's create one more story now. Online people so far good ma? Please confirm the chat. Please confirm the chat ma. Very good ma. Yes. Very good. Let's take one more story now. For example, it is a mom versus kid story. Mom versus kid story. Case number one. One day, mom watching movie in a TV. Now kid is very curious. Kid is asking, Mama, what is that? Now Mama saying that, Beta, that is a TV. That is a TV. Here, if you observe, there are two parts are there. One is question is there. Another one is what is there? Answer is there. What is the question here? What is that? Mama, don't talk ma. What is that? And next one is what? Answer is what? TV. Now a kid is as a natural intelligence. Imagine that if I'm saying that this is a TV, what comes in your mind? What kind of patterns you will analysis? Why Mama saying this is a TV? Bolo, what are the patterns? What are the patterns? How can you see that whenever you see the TV, how can your mind say it is a TV? Your mind will think something, na? Bolo that patterns. What is the first pattern? Rectangular shape, TV has what? Rectangular shape. And next what? What is the next pattern? Bolo patterns batao. Arey phone ra? Phone hai na? How can your mind saying it is a phone? Something come in your mind, na? Bolo, when you are seeing TV, what's come in your mind? TV, क्या रे? बोलो. Rectangular shape next. Video, audio. बोलो ना, everything is a pattern only, ra. Voice. Very good. Now see, answers are coming. Your brain is activating now. Pictures. Next. Colors. Colors. Let's see what are the online people are saying now. It's saying that text, pictures, visual, audio, we can change the watch and the movies. See, you need to think like kid, ra. A 3 years kid, not like 30 years human being. समझ गया? The 3 years kid, I will change the channel. ये क्या रे? 3 years kid जैसा सोचना. वो 3 years kid में वो rectangular shape दिखता. He doesn't know rectangular, square or the term he doesn't know, but something he knows, some box is coming. And he doesn't know it, the name is video, but something is coming voice and some eyes is seeing. Some pictures. Mustaq Ahmad, क्या चाहिए माँ? Cartoon na, Gayatri telling that. Now you see here, there is some Rajinikanth Shah Rukh Khan moving. The kid know na, he is a Rajinikanth, he is a Shah Rukh Khan. Doesn't know. What kid knows? Someone is moving, someone is doing like this, someone is doing like this only na. Cartoons. So this is kids mind pattern. And whenever the kid is seeing anywhere these kind of things na, immediately the kid will say what? TV. Immediately that kid will say TV. Now, the second question now, case 2, now mama went to mall, ra. Mama went to mall. Now mama is very curious. Why curious? Are I trained my kid at my home. Now I will re-question to my kid. Now mama is asking question to kid. Now what is mama is asking? Mama is asking, beta, what is that? Now what is kid answer? Mama went to watch a movie in a theater. Watch a movie in theater. Now, mama is asking that while showing the theater, mama is asking to kid, beta bolo ye kya? What is kid answer? Bolo loudly, what is kid answer? Pakka TV? Pakka TV only. But mama says, bolte, kya bolta? Mama says that, beta, वो TV इल्ले, वो TV नहीं है, वो theater है. It is not a TV. It is a theater. It is a theater. Mama बोल दिया. Now, here what happened now? खत्म जिंदगी हो जाएगा. मम्मा शॉक्स, सॉरी मम्मा रॉक्स, बेटा शॉक्स. अरे वो मम्मा क्या बोल दे रे? तू बोला है घर में टीवी, अभी बोल दिया थिएटर. सो किड को क्या होता? वो पैटर्न चेक करेगा. पैटर्न चेक करेगा. क्या होगा? मम्मा कहीं को बोल दिया. वो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप मैच्ड. हाँ. देन वो वीडियो आ रहा है ना? आ रहा है. वीडियो आ रहा है. एंड साउंड आ रहा है ना? आ रहा है. साउंड आ रहा है. एंड कार्टून आ रहा है ना? आ रहा है. देन व्हाई मम्मा सेड दिस? देन ही विल थिंक अबाउट रिकैप इट. ए रेक्टेंगुलर शेप है, बट इट इज ए बिगर इन शेप. ही विल अपडेट हिज पैटर्न. एंड ए वीडियो है, बट ए फुल क्लैरिटी वीडियो है. अपडेट द शेप patterns. A sound है, but what is called? It is bigger in sound, loud. And what is a cartoon? And next one is, it doesn't like the dark color. अरे everything is closed. Dark color आ जाएगा. Something, everything is a blind. And next one is what happened? So much crowd will be there. So much crowd sitting at one place and they are seeing. At my home, me and my mama, my papaji is there. But here there are 100 people are there. So it's something different. And that he doesn't like always, crowd. But he like one more thing. What is that? Ice cream and popcorn. ब्रेक में मिल जाएगा ना? whenever ice cream and popcorn देख लिया, हम थिएटर में आ गया. You observe na kids, how the sharp are their kids at home. They will easily observe one thing. Now ice cream and popcorn will observe. Ice cream and popcorn. हो गया. Question number 1, answer pattern. Question number 2, wrong answer, answer corrected, pattern updated. अब question number 3. Question number 3, case 3. Now, this time, mama को काम ही भी ले. Always watching movie only. Okay. Now, mama is watching movie in laptop. In laptop. Again, mama is very curious. Now, this time again, mama is asking, beta, what is that? Ab bolo, kid, what is the answer? What is the answer? TV or theater? बोलो और नो आंसर. That is called intelligence, na? Natural intelligence. Some kids might be say what? TV. Some kids might be say what? Theater. Some IQ more intelligent kids will say that they will see in sky. अब क्या बोलना? That is based on the human intelligence. And the same intelligence we are making into AI. What happening here? Now come to here. What happening here exactly? Tell me. Now here, when we pass the past data, what is the past data? I am passing a question. I am passing a answer. A machine understand the patterns. A machine understand the patterns, and when a new question comes, it tries to predict the answer. Try to predict the answer. This is exactly happening here. What happening here? Tell me. When we pass the past data, you are passing question and you are passing answer. Yes or no? And when a machine started what? Understanding what? Pattern. Here machine nothing but human brain or any brain here. Machine nothing but your brain you can see. Machine intelligence you can think about that. A machine understand the pattern. When a new question comes, it try to predict the answer. It is correct answer or wrong answer. Forget about that. But what exactly happening here? Bolo, repeat with me. What happening, ma? When we pass the which data? Past data. Past data में क्या हुआ है? अरे bro क्या हुआ रे? Class you will enjoy with me. You should not enjoy yourself. You should enjoy with me. Okay? हाँ समझ गया? Otherwise खत्म your जिंदगी. चलो देखो. When we pass the past data means what? Question and answer. Then brain क्या करेगा? Understand the patterns. Now when a new question comes, you try to predict what? Answer. Answer based on what? Patterns. Old patterns वो brain में store हो जाएगा. वो इनपुट जा रहा है क्वेश्चन, आउटपुट जा रहा है आंसर, ए ब्रेन में पैटर्न सेव हो जाएगा, ए न्यू क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं तो ए जनरेट व्हाट आंसर, एंड दैट आंसर इज करेक्ट और रॉन्ग इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बट दिस इज एग्जैक्टली हैपनिंग इन वेयर मशीन लर्निंग. दिस इज कॉल्ड मशीन लर्निंग डेफिनेशन. समझ गया? अब बोलो डेफिनेशन बताओ, बताओ डेफिनेशन. डोंट फील शाय रहा. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. When we pass the past data, what is the past data meaning? A machine understand what? Patterns. Bolo, a machine understand pattern. When a new question pass, it try to predict the answer. Again, repeat karo again, one more time. When we pass the past data, नहीं है. Okay, chorus में करना. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. अंडरस्टूड मशीन लर्निंग डेफिनेशन मतलब अंडरस्टूड हाउ एआई विल वर्क. सो एआई वर्क करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? डाटा चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? दैट्स व्हाई डाटा सेंटर्स, गवर्नमेंट्स आर फाइटिंग ना नाउ. डाटा सेंटर इधर बनाओ उधर बनाओ ये बनाओ. हाँ वो है डाटा सेंटर्स. डाटा चाहिए. नाउ ऑनलाइन पीपल क्लियर है मा? प्लीज कंफर्म द चैट मा. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स क्लियर मशीन लर्निंग मतलब? अब देखो इधर. सपोज योर ग्रैंडफादर कमिंग नाउ. योर ग्रैंडफादर कमिंग. अरे बेटा तू हर दिन जा रहे नरेश आईटी को, तू क्या कर रहे थे? नो पापा जी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. आई एम स्टडिंग. वो बोलता क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? मैं पढ़ रहा है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. उसको समझ है नहीं समझ गया? हाँ देन हाउ कैन यू मेक हिम टू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ? आई गिवन वन एग्जांपल, यू गिव मी अनदर एग्जांपल. बोलो. फॉर एग्जांपल पप्पा जी एक्स ले लो वाई ले लो, एक्स इज इक्वल 1 पापा, एक्स वाई इज इक्वल 1 पापा. x is equal to y is equal to कितना 4, x is equal to 3, hi sir, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9 and x is equal to 4, y is equal to कितना, अरे बोलो रहा loudly रहा loudly, why how it is 16, बोलो y is equal to x into x, correct? What exactly happened in your mind? What exactly happened in your mind? Providing which data? Provide the past data. What is the past data? 1 aito 1, 2 aito 4, 3 aito 9. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या हो रहा है? नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या हो रहा है? ब्रेन में क्या हो रहा है? अंडरस्टैंडिंग, understand the pattern. What is the pattern here? X into x. And next third is what now? Understand the pattern and new question. What is the new question? 4. Then immediately your brain is picking what? Pattern. What is the pattern? 4 into 4. What is the answer? That's all, na? That your brain is working. Your brain is exactly a brain. Your brain is exactly a brain, but our brains are so slow. A brain is fast. That's all. There's no difference. Our brain is taking the limited knowledge. A brain will take the huge knowledge. Okay. Our brain के लिए we need healthy food and everything to काम करने के लिए, A brain काम करने के लिए we need some powers, GPU, optical fibers, some power transmissions. वो करना है. Your brain is exactly equal to A brain. That is always remember that. And this is exactly the definition. Can you repeat with me? What is the definition, ma? Without seeing. Bolo. Hey, you students are not proactive at all. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chorus में बताना. Loudly. Loudly. When we pass the past data, machine understand patterns. When a new question comes, it try to predict the answer. In order to machine understand के लिए patterns करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Data चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? Now data in which formats? Data in how many formats? Structured and unstructured. Grandfather को understand नहीं होता. Grandfather should understand now onwards. Now how many types of data available? Tell me. You told structured and unstructured. That is the correct answer. Interview answer that is. Here no interview answer. Here completely grandfather answers. Okay. Structured and unstructured. Now bolo. What is the meaning of structured and what is the meaning of unstructured? Bolo. Data is how many formats? A simple question. Data is how many formats? Data is how many formats? Data means conveying the information. If I want to convey some information to you, how many ways I can convey to you? Text. Are simple. If I want to take very jovial way, are bro, if you want to propose any girl, how many ways you can propose? How many ways you can propose? Verbal. Pakka, what you will do? I like you. Next. In any other way? Rose flower. Image. Image. वो बोलो ना. One is a text format. One data. Another format is what? Image format. Next format is what? Video. Super. Video format. Next format is what? Audio. Audio karo and de do. Audio format. These many formats of data available na? Now text format analyze करने के लिए there is a Ramanujan format is there. Do you know? अपरिचित movie. Name, gender, qualification, income, habits, and that is called. Now what you will do? Name, Ramanujan, gender, male, qualification, lawyer, income 50K, habits, daily, worship the God, and final what is the output? I want to marry you. होता ना मूवी में? What is the movie that is? अपरिचित मूवी रा? हाँ ऐसे देता वो लेटर. This is called what? Structured format. This is completely what? Which format? Tabular format. Which format? CSV format. Excel sheet format. A data is available that. A Excel sheet data is available. एक्सेल में डाटा होता, एक्सेल में डाटा होता, सीएसवी में डाटा होता, स्ट्रक्चर्ड में डाटा होता, and this kind of data I need to analysis, and that concept is called machine learning concept. What is concept? Machine learning concept. So under the AI, under the data science, we need to learn which subject? Machine learning subject. Machine learning deals which kind of approaches, ma? Structured data. The data mainly in tabular format. The data mainly in tabular format. Tabular format data completely machine learning applications. It is a navy way I am telling. Next, you are telling that image format. Image format or video format. Image or videos both are same. Video में क्या होता? Images only na? In order to understand this, we need deep learning. What we need? Deep learning, computer vision, wo chahiye. That is deep learning. And next, what is another kind of data? Big text hota na WhatsApp mein. To send karta na WhatsApp mein. Hi, how are you? Had your food? And like that you'll send na. And that is completely text data or which data? Audio data. Which data? Audio data. वो करने के लिए natural language process. That is the shortcut is what ma? NLP. One is tabular format. That is which applications ma? Machine learning applications. Another which format ma? Image or video. Which applications? Deep learning. Another one is what ma? Text or audio. Which format? Natural language process. Now anything, either you ask the tabular data, you ask the image data, you ask the video, you ask the text, any kind of data, nowadays it is giving the answers by a new model called generative AI models. What is called ma? Generative AI model. It can generate you text, it can generate the image, it can generate the audio, it can generate the video, it can generate the music, anything it will generate. And that is called what? Generative AI. What are the famous generative AI models, ma? One is, your famous model is what? Chat GPT. Chat, if you put side outside, the model name is GPT model. What is the model name? वो chatting करने के लिए use होता है. That's why the name is what? Chat GPT. That is the GPT model. Who developed this model? OpenAI. Who developed the model? OpenAI company collaborated with which company? Microsoft. Microsoft. Another company naam kya? That is, another model is what? Gemini model. Which model? Gemini model. Gemini AI. That's called Gemini model. Which company? Google. Which company? Google. Another company is what? Llama model. Llama developed which company? Meta or what? Facebook. Previously it is called what? Facebook. One more model. What is one more model? Very, very famous. Grok. Grok is which company? XAI. Elon Musk company. And these all are different companies develop the different models. Another model, another company is there. The name was Bedrock, developed by AWS. That is called what? Amazon. Amazon model. Now, bolo, what are the generative AI models you know as of now? Bolo, what is the first model? GPT. GPT developed by which company? Collaborate with which company? Now, what is the another model? Gemini. Developed which company? What is another model? Developed by which company? What is another model? Develop which company? What is another model? Develop which company? What it will do? It can do text, it can do image, it can do It can do. Now under the data science, this is our core subject. We need to learn machine learning applications. Machine learning mainly 90% focus on what? Which data? Tabular data. Deep learning focus on which data? Image data. NLP focus on which data? Text data. All three can which data? Generative AI model. So far good? Understood? Again, what is the definition of machine learning AI intelligence? Bolo, definition batao. What's the definition? When we pass the past data, understand the pattern when a new question comes. Now what is important for this? Data. Data is how many formats? Structured data. Structured data, what is the example? Which data in this? Table data. Table data deal करने के लिए which application? Image data. Text data. All kind of data. What are the generative AI models you know? GPT, Gemini, Llama, Grok, Bedrock, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Claude, Quen, so many are there. Everyone is developing. Only, unfortunately, India only doesn't have any model. We are, no, money problem. Money problem. No, research is we are good. We are so talented, but no investment on us. No investment on us. Like Fractal Analytics told that, Fractal Analytics is a company. Fractal Analytics is a company. They told that they are giving that first LLM model with 100 crores is the budget. They fix that 100 crores is the budget. So much money is required. So much infra required. It's not an easy thing to develop that. They're already product-based companies. There's so much money they're developing. They are asking us to use my models like that. Now we are started using. Now that is keep at the side. So far good. Understand what is the definition, what kind of data, what is the overview. Online people, please confirm the chat ma. So far good ma. Politics. Oh no politics in the class ra. No politics in the class. You should not talk about anything that is very good. Yeah, this is a very good question. How data science is course is different from Gen AI course? Before data science course only available. There no Gen AI course. 3-4 years back, there no Gen AI. The data science, under the data science, we have only machine learning, we have only deep learning, we have only NLP. These kind of applications only available. These kind of applications will teach you that how the pattern analysis started. How the pattern analysis started. What is the meaning of pattern analysis? You told X into X is one pattern analysis na? In your brain. That kind of pattern analysis will teach you by machine learning applications, deep learning applications, NLP applications. Later what happen? This will give that only whenever you give the question, it will give answer. Correct answer, wrong answer, it will give. But later what happen? People are created a generative AI course. What is this generative AI will do? Whatever you ask anything, it try to generate it. It try to generate it. Suppose for example, you are asking the question here. Which question you are asking? Write a Python programming. Suppose I am asking a question. Write about Virat Kohli. Write about Virat Kohli. Write about Virat Kohli. It will give or not? Bolo. It will give na? It generating answer or not? The generating answer nothing but generative AI. And generating like exactly human being, that is called artificial intelligence. And that you need to not to use. You should learn how to develop the model. You should learn how to develop the model. The how to develop the model, AI models will give the idea about these three only. If you learn these three, then only you know how to use this and how to develop this. Now everyone in the life they were using generative AI. Everyone using ChatGPT. Even police station, malls, everyone using ChatGPT. But how ChatGPT developed backend? How ChatGPT develop backend? That will give the idea by which applications? Which applications? Machine learning, deep learning, NLP. And that related to under which course? Data science course. And once you learn this, and then you will understand how AI models are developed. And in our class, we will learn how to use, also how to develop. And that is the course main motto. So much you understood? Now you can ask any question here. The backend you should understand. Suppose you are asking the question, tell me about Nalagoni Omkar sir. It will give or not? Bolo, give or not? No. Arey wah. But somehow it is got muted. So what I am saying, online people, you might have heard so many terms. LLMs, large language models, prompt engineering, RAG applications, agentic frameworks, MCP, N8N, CrewAI, LangGraph, and so many, OpenCV, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Azure, GCP, so many things will do. But all we need to understand where to use, how to use, what you are going to learn. See, by the time of this only, almost we are coming to what? Quarter to 7. That's why I told now I need minimum how many sessions? 3 sessions required to understand end to end. Here, I will give one life cycle. Then you will understand. The first one is, we need to gather the data. First, what we need to gather the data. Now, client will give the data. Now, how client will give the data to you? Suitcase, huh? Where you will provide? Cloud, correct? Cloud. He will provide in the cloud. He will provide in the databases. He will provide in the databases. He will provide in the GitHub. He'll provide in different formats. So you need to learn cloud application. In our class, we will learn Azure and GCP and AWS cloud applications also we will learn in our class. Azure. Who is developed by Azure? Microsoft. Azure developed by whom? Google nahi rahe. Azure developed which company? Microsoft. And GCP developed which company? G is there, na? What is the GCP full form? Google Cloud Platform. And AWS developed which company? Amazon Web Service. That is called Amazon. We need to learn one cloud platform and databases related. We will learn SQL. What we will learn? SQL. And in our class, we will focus on Microsoft SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server we will learn. And that I will show you how to connect with Azure also. Also in our class, we will go into learn the GitHub also. GitHub is very, very important for developer. And this is especially bonus from Omkar sir. Because I am the real-time employee, I know how important the GitHub is. The GitHub also we will cover in our class curriculum. And that is the first part. What is the first part? We need gather the data. Data gather करने के लिए वो data might be clean data, not clean data ना पक्का. So we need to learn the data cleaning also. Data cleaning. In order to data cleaning करने के लिए you need to learn the very, very important called Python. What we need to learn? Python is very, very important. Again, SQL also comes to the picture here. Not only Python, this time we are added Python plus PySpark also. We added PySpark also in our course curriculum. Python and PySpark. One data is cleaning and done, we need to learn data analysis. The data analysis called EDA. What is the EDA full form? Exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis. You need to analyze the data. In order to analyze the data, we need Python, we need SQL, and we need Power BI or Tableau. What we required? Power BI or Tableau. Either of this, we can learn it. Anything fine. Tableau. And next one is the very, very important subject is you need to learn the statistics subject. Statistics subject we need to learn. So as of now, bolo, what is the first point, ma? What is the first point? Bolo, what we need? Gather the, in order to gather the data, what you need to learn? Cloud related stuff, database related stuff, GitHub related stuff. I'm not going in deep. I'm not going each and every subparts. I'm going only what you are learning. Tomorrow I will show the all the subparts also. Now next what, ma? Data cleaning. Data cleaning में क्या learn करना? Python, PySpark and SQL. And next, what we need to do? Data analysis. What is the full form of data analysis? What is the full form EDA? Exploratory data analysis. Python, SQL, Power BI, and what is called? Statistics. What is called? Statistics. And till here, you can complete your data analyst subject. You can apply for data analyst roles. So data analyst roles are included what now? Tell me what you included? Cloud related included cloud. Next what? SQL included third one is what? Python included Python. And next one is what? Power BI included and next one is what? Statistics included. Statistics included. These all are related with subject data analyst subject. But we are not happy with the data analyst. We want to become what? AI engineer. Now core will start. Now core. What are the core? We need to develop the patterns. We need to develop the models. What the terminology Models. Bolo, what is the terminology? Model. Model or algorithm. What do you call? Algorithms. Now how many ways? The first one is what? Tabular analysis. Tabular data. Which kind Machine learning. It is a core will start here. Now B. Under that video or image. What is the subject Deep learning. Bolo ma, what is the subject? Deep learning. And third one is what ma? Audio or text data. Now what is called ma? NLP. What is NLP full form? Natural language process. Now we need to learn all kind of applications. What are those ma? Generative AI. Generative AI. Under the generative AI, what are the models we can learn it ma? GPT. And what we can learn? Gemini. And what we can learn? Llama. And we can learn what? Grok. And all kind of models we can learn it. And you need to talk to AI machine, the very, very important called what ma? Prompt engineering. What we learn? Prompt engineering. And we need to create the customer data applications. And for that, very, very important, the framework is called LangChain framework. And the LangChain framework will give the flexibility of the RAG application. This you don't know. Some people know. They studied and come. Some people doesn't know. You don't need to worry. Okay, we have so much time is there. Everything today, how I ingested your mind, the definition, everything I will cover. You no need to worry about that. But I needed time. I needed time, that is. RAG applications. And we need to cover the agentic frameworks. Agentic frameworks. Everything will covered in detail. Now last fifth point is, once algorithm developed, you need to test it. The algorithm is high or wrong. And that is called model evaluation. Model evaluation. And if model is not good, you need to tune the model. That's called model tuning. And finally, you need to deploy the model in the cloud. And this is called your end-to-end application. Here we will learn Azure deployment and GCP deployment. And here we learn the Docker container register also we will learn it. This is a complete high-level course curriculum structure. Every point, and end-to-end projects will covered and subjects will covered. Again, I'm repeating ma. What is the first point? Bola ma. Online people, please tell me ma. What is the first point? Bolo. We need gather the data. In order to gather the data, kya chahiye? Cloud, databases, and GitHub. Next one is what ma? What is called? Python, PySpark, and SQL. Next one is what ma? Data analysis, EDA. What we need to learn ma? Python, SQL, Power BI, statistics. What are the next thing ma? More need to develop what? Models. What kind of models are available ma? Machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, generative AI. Next what ma? Model evaluation. Next what ma? Model tuning. Finally kya karna ma? What is the meaning of deploy? Model developed, I need to hand over to my client. कैसे hand over करना? Again suitcase, huh? Cloud में. Where need to hand over? Cloud में hand over करना. Understood now? Now tell me, can you repeat the steps now? Fatapat. First one is what? Loudly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bolo first one. Gather the second one. Data. Third one. Third one ra? Analysis करना. क्या करना? What is analysis full form? Next क्या करना? Model development. What are the models? Machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and Gen AI. Next क्या करना? You developed one model ra. Omkar sir developed one model. Can you sell it? I will not sell ना. क्या करना? Testing करना ना. Evaluating करना. Next क्या करना? wrong है तो tune करना. Next finally क्या करना? Deploy करना. Now high level overview. I am showing high level overview. Look at the board here. High level overview में I will do this kind of things ma. Be careful and understand it. All whatever I displayed here, everything will covered in the class. Online people, please have a look. Data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, NLP. Read each and everything. Generative AI, prompting, visualization, cloud, statistics, maths, time series, LLM, Python, SQL, Power BI, Flask, Postman, Agentic AI, PySpark, Streamlit, Databricks, Docker, GitHub, LangChain, deployment, ML flow, Azure AI solution, but all will cover high level overview. And again, subtopics also there. But you can imagine that high level overview. And here you will get from Omkar sir quality training, certifications, internships, placement support. This will discuss again tomorrow in detail. This is only high level overview. Getting am online people. I know you have lots of doubts, but you also should give some time to me na, to discuss. Daily assignment, presentation, blogs, doubts, and special trainings and requests, and 24/7 availability because I will give my mobile number to you and you can contact me. If I'm busy, you can message me. I will call back you. You can come and meet me. There's so many things are there. And from Naresh IT, you will get this we need edit. Here I'm editing, look at the board. The class timings are 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. every day, same timings, Monday to Saturday. The duration is 6 months. The fee is 27K without videos and 32K with videos. And from Naresh IT, you will get certification, classroom recordings, mentorship program, offline mentorship program, placement assistant, Google Classroom, weekly exams, screening exams, materials, everything will get it. This last three course, what I will provide, what Naresh IT provide, we need to have a separate half an hour discussion on this. You should understand. You will get a doubts. You need to talk to me. Getting it is not happening in 5 minutes. That's why you should come again tomorrow. Again, we need to go in detail. What will come to you and everything. If anyone miss the recording video, if anyone miss that any class today, you can join in that WhatsApp group so that you will get a WhatsApp groups. This is a Naresh IT WhatsApp group. Please join in that, both online and offline. Take a photo and add in the lens so that you'll get a daily videos will come. Today video, if anyone miss, you can go through that. 1.5 hour PPT also you'll get it Purva, this discussion, career guidance will take tomorrow because in 10 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, it will not happen. The whole full stack data science only taught by me only 1 minute 6 months it will take It will take 6 months. See, I want to proudly introduce here, Abdul sir is available here. Okay. Abdul sir is a retired employee from Saudi, 65 years old. And he has his own startup in India. He has learning the AI course under me in the morning batch. So I don't know he is coming, but glad he coming. So he will talk to you 2 minutes. He will share your experience. Welcome to Abdul sir. Please clap him. अरे बड़ा करो रहा अरे बाप रे मेरा भारत महान Abdul sir will talk to you 2 minutes. So at least you'll understand the importance of the learning. So please sir, some here. Online people are there. He is almost 65 years old This all the questions will take my online people. Online people, I know you have a lot of questions, but you also understand that lot of questions will can't cover in 10 minutes. Yes or no? Yes or no, my online people? We need at least 1 hour session or not? 1 hour session is required or not, online people? That's why we need to talk very freely tomorrow. There no need to hurry. I will take each and every question and we can talk. I will discuss with you separately. I'm telling now I will give my number to you. No trainer will give. Only students only important for Omkar sir. Now please, Abdul sir, please talk 2 minutes.
Hello, good evening everybody. My name is Abdul Hadi. For the past 35 and more years, I was in Saudi. When I was very young, I joined there. One of the biggest company in the world, one of the biggest. It is known as Al Marai. It is one of the dairy farm. Uh, we have around 2 lakhs cows, 40,000 robots, and 40,000 employees. We are equal. Robo are different types, stationary as well as moving. So I am a SAP consultant basically. So when I completed my 60 years, but my health was still good. So I told my company, I'm still good. I want to work. They said, no, it is as per the company policy, 60 years, you have to go. So Saudi is such a country where we cannot stay. US, by this time I would have been a citizen in US if I would have been there those days. But still, people can go to US. So uh, they gave me 1 year extension. So at 61, I was got retired. So I came back here. Uh, my age, as Mr. Omkar sir has said, it's fine, but uh, I'm keeping up my health good. Then I am trying what to do next. There are two things as per the science. We say you keep your mind and body healthy, then only you are fit. So if my body is fit, I need to keep my mind also fit. So for mind, I started searching who is good here in Hyderabad, who can uh, upskill my talents. So I keep on checking and finding out. Then I found out Mr. Omkar sir. One fine day, I am staying in Kukatpalli. My house is in Kukatpalli. There is also one Naresh IT. There are two, three branches, very good branches. But the top branch is this, and top class is this, Omkar sir's class. So I was walking in the morning. I saw Naresh IT there. I went to Naresh IT and asked, I need to join. So they said they invited me and they said, okay, fine. And I told I need a good mentor who can teach me. So they said to wait for a day or two. Usually I am walking. Again, I went next day. Then they said the classes will start at 10:30 batch. So the first day I came here, I wanted to see his face. Who is Omkar sir? I don't know. How he will teach? I don't know. Now you have seen Omkar sir, how he is teaching. He is the best teacher, what I can say. Now when you go step by step, you will find how he teaches. He teaches completely. Whatever he is having his knowledge, he is giving to all the students. He is giving all his knowledge. He is not hiding anything. It's the best mentor, best the teacher, everything best. So I am also learning with him. I am in a 10:30 batch. I have planned for a startup and it's about to start next month, hopefully. The startup will be there in next month. This is for the services and hopefully Mr. Omkar sir guidance through Omkar sir guidance only we are doing. I have done my web designing also. I have done one POC, proof of concept. It is also there in my YouTube channel. I have one YouTube channel also. I have my own website. So don't miss the class of Mr. Omkar sir. He is the best teacher. What I can say only. So you have to learn. Don't miss the classes. AI is growing. There will be only in future. There will be no options except those who are upskilling, they will be getting the job. If you say I am an engineer, he will not get a job. He need to be a MBA or he has to be data science, whatever upskills. You have to keep on upskilling. So this is the best class what I can say, and you are the luckiest person who is getting a good mentor or good teacher. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you giving me the chair, Mr. Omkar sir.
So tomorrow also same timings, ma. Tomorrow also same timings. The timings are always fixed timings, ma. 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. and same class link. So tell me one question. Everyone understood what is data science and AI? अरे बोलो रा loudly. Interactive session अरे bro. Rule number 1 क्या रे? Rule number 2 क्या रे? Where is the interactive session रा? मेरा भारत महान? Online people. Everyone understood. I hope everyone understood what is the data science and AI and what you are going to learn in high level overview. What you are going to learn high level overview ma. Still we need 2 more sessions so that I want to discuss more your thought process, why you are choosing this course, your experience, past experience, you are the career gap students, you are non-IT students, you are non-engineering background students, you are Java students, testing students, and married women, everything I will discuss with you separately. You no need to worry about that. And the thing is, next thing is, and we need to, tomorrow our main focus is, the upcoming sessions are planned like this, ma. Tomorrow, only 2 things completely focused on syllabus. And next thing is completely focused on your question and answers. And next thing is, I will show some projects, what you are going to learn the beautiful projects in our class. And the next thing is, I want love to hear about your thought process, why you choose this course and what your expectations. What your expectation from Omkar and from Naresh IT, and that what is the feasibility, how we'll provide, that all we'll discuss. In order to complete all these things, and we'll meet minimum 2 sessions. That is because we don't want close in any hurry, and we will go very smooth. We'll discuss everything. I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you so much, ma. See you tomorrow. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we'll take all the questions. बोलो 2021
సివిల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఫార్ములా
సివిల్ ఇంజనీర్.
సో ఇప్పుడు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో సర్వే అవ్వాలి లేదా అని డౌట్ అంటే ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
మేము ఏడబ్ల్యూ వాడికి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నాం.
దేనికి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారు?
ఏడబ్ల్యూ
వస్తున్నాయి పోస్ట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. పోస్ట్ తక్కువ కదా, ఐటీలో చూస్ చేసుకోండి. ఐటీలో ఈజీ టు ఎంటర్ కదా. 2021 ఆల్మోస్ట్ నాకు తెలిసి 24 years, నా 28 years, వేగేసి ఇంకా 30 years అయితే కదా. అది అందరికీ ఉండే ప్రాబ్లమే. చాలా మంది ఇండియాలో ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం. చేసుకుంటారు కదా, దానికి కొన్ని తరీకా ఉంటుంది. దాని గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేయాలి సపరేట్ గా. డేటా అనలిస్ట్ అయితే మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు కూడా వచ్చేసిందో జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు కదా. ఏతో అన్ని పోతాయి. ఇప్పుడు మీ ఇందులో డేటా అనలిస్ట్ నడుస్తుంది, పైథాన్ నడుస్తుంది, డేటా సైన్స్ నడుస్తుంది, ఏఐ నడుస్తుంది. ఇది అన్ని కలిపి కదా. ఒక్కొక్కటి అయిపోగానే మీరు ఒక్కో దానికి ట్రై చేసుకోవచ్చు జాబ్. డెఫినెట్ గానా అది ఫోటో తీయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఫోటో తీసుకొని చేయాలి. టేక్ ఏ ఫోటో మా ఫస్ట్. ఫోటో తీసుకుంటే తర్వాత నీకు దాంట్లో ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవడం ఉంటుంది కదా అట్లా. లేకపోతే అడ్మిన్ ఉంటాడు కదా, ఆయన జాయిన్ చేపిస్తాడు. మీకు ఏ డౌట్ కూడా నన్ను అడగండి. మీకు డౌట్ ఏంటంటే ఒకటే డౌట్ నా మీకు, నేను ఇప్పుడు నాకు గ్యాప్ ఉంది 4-5 years, నన్ను తీసుకుంటారా తీసుకోరా? అటెండ్ అది ఎవరైనా కావచ్చు. నేను ట్రైనింగ్ అలా ఇస్తా, కానీ ఎలా ఎంట్రీ అవ్వాలనేది మనం ఆలోచించాలి. అదొకటే మనం బాగా వర్కౌట్ చేయాలి. ట్రైనింగ్ గురించి మీరేం ఫిగర్ అవసరం లేదు. ట్రైనింగ్ నేను కేర్ చేసుకుంటాను. అట్లా కూడా ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఒక బ్రేక్ లెటర్ రాయాలి. ఒక లెటర్ రాసి వెళ్ళాలి. వెళ్తే మీకు 1 year ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. 1 year ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. 1 yearలో రావచ్చు. మళ్ళీ ఫీ పే అయిన అవసరం లేదు. అది నేను చెప్తా ఎలా చేయాలనేది. చాలా మా ఫేక్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, నేను గైడ్ చేస్తా. అన్నీ నేనే చెప్తా. మొత్తం నేనే చెప్తా. ఇది 2 రకాలు ఉంటుంది. మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఒక యాప్ తయారు చేయాలి, ఓన్ యాప్. పబ్లిసిటీ చేసుకోవాలి, కంపెనీస్ అప్రోచ్ అయ్యి హైర్ చేసుకుంటాయి. రెండోది ఏంటంటే కన్సల్టెన్సీలో ఫేక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ యాడ్ చేసుకొని ఉంటారు. 2 రకాలు ఉంటాయి. మనం 2 రకాలుగా ట్రై చేయాలి. ఫేక్ తో దొరుకుతారంటే అది కన్సల్టెన్సీ బ్యాడ్ అయితే దొరుకుతారు. కన్సల్టెన్సీ బట్టి ఉంటుంది. చాలా మంది ఐటీలో అందరు ఫేకే ఉంటారు. అదే డెఫినెట్గా గైడ్ చేస్తారు, అదేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ మనం కన్సల్టెన్సీ ద్వారా పోయిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళని అటాచ్ చేస్తా, వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ ప్రాపర్ గైడ్ చేస్తారు.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ పైథాన్ చెప్తారు కదా సార్, పైథాన్ తో లింక్ లేకుండా SQL అని NumPy అని ఇలా ఉంటాయి కదా.
అవునవును, అవి ప్యారలల్గా వెళ్తుంటాయి.
నాకు వేరే బ్యాచ్
వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అవి నరేష్ రెడ్డి ప్లాన్ చేస్తుంది.